We are glad to welcome you on the Hard Reset YouTube channel, and in this video I will show how you can block explicit songs on Apple Music. So, on an iPhone you will need to launch Settings first, then enter the Screen Time category. Next, go for the Content and Privacy Restrictions, enable the Content and Privacy Restrictions toggle at the top. Then go into Content Restrictions, Music, Podcast, News and Fitness, and switch it from explicit to clean value. And now all the explicit songs will be blocked and inaccessible. If you use your Apple Music app on an Android phone, you can launch the app, the Apple Music app obviously, then tap at these three vertical buttons, go into Settings, vertical. In the settings, find and open the Content Restrictions properties, input your Apple Music passcode, and now switch on the Enable Content Restrictions toggle. And now what you want to do is to switch off the Allow Explicit Content in the music. And you can also switch off this music videos toggle as well. So that'll be it for this video. Thanks for watching and bye bye.